Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own paper models like this Mount Rushmore. You can see it's made out of paper, but it's 3D. So the first step is to go to papertoys.com. Click on one of the links and view the PDF. Print that out. Then you'll have a piece of paper. Cut out all the parts that you need to use and then glue it as it directs in the PDF. Then you'll have what you need. You can do some other stuff like a Nissan here. And a really popular one, Wrigley Field. Just like this. It's made completely out of paper. We need to glue some stuff on more than once, so let's take a glue stick, put glue on the tabs here. Kind of a quick tutorial. Put glue on the tabs. So if I just apply glue there, then all you do is you just take it and press it on just like this. Just like that. Then you'll be ready. So it will make a paper model and you can do anything with it. Just keep it, throw it away. It's just throwing away. If you want, you could. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the fun stuff. And thanks for watching. See ya.